everyone, this is Brenna BZ Malin. I'm down here at Colton RV and Marine. I can't wait to tell you about this smoking deal we got on this leftover 2022. We only have a few 22 models left and we've slashed them down. They're the lowest prices in the country. The one I'm going to tell you about is this 22 Raptor. It's an absolutely fully loaded coach inside and out, perfect for entertaining, and it's a toy hauler. Let's start up here where I can tell you about the fully molded fiberglass front cap. And not only does it have solar on the roof and it's prepped for an inverter, but it also comes with a generator. Now that generator is gas, so you'll also be able to fuel up your toys that you bring along. If you bring a golf cart, four-wheelers, any of those things, you're gonna have that capability. Now if you look here, we do have these ginormous awnings that go all the way across. I could walk underneath the awning and not touch any rain throughout the front of this camper. You have plenty of space for your patio. Notice we have solid steps for entry into the camper. They fold right in, super easy to use. We have this awesome JBL stereo system, has outdoor speakers as well as indoor. It does have auto leveling on this camper as well. Like I said, this is perfect for entertaining. We got our outdoor TV and a mini fridge to keep all your beverages outside for you and your guests. Now, not only does it have that entrance, we have two more entrances in this camper. We have one going directly into the garage, which doubles as a bunk room. And then these awesome solid steps that take you to the best part about owning a toy hauler, the party deck. So we've got this party deck back here. When we take the cables off and lower it down, that's how you can just drive your toys right into the garage. You have a nice gate here, so if you have pets that you want to be able to hang out outside, or kids, they can play safely with a fence around it. As you see here, it also comes with 3-season doors so that you'll be able to close this off. You can have screens or the windows to keep the weather outside and the little bugs. In here, notice you have 2 couches and a nice big table for when you want to eat with your family. But these couches also roll into a very large bed, and then you have a top bunk as well. And as you can see, it does come already equipped with a TV in the back. Like I said, this thing is fully loaded. Let's go on the inside and check out the rest. All right, so those of you who have never been or had a toy hauler before, these beds and couches actually lift all the way up to the ceiling, or you could even lay those couches flat against the wall. That's gonna give you plenty of space to bring your toys along when you go camping. Another really nice feature, if you're going for longer periods, you can even put a washer and dryer in this fifth wheel. Now let's go look at the main part. This toy hauler has plenty of space. You've got this massive couch, super comfortable to sit on. You can fit 4 or 5 people, and the 2 ends even have 3 levels of vibration and heat, and they recline. You have this huge residential size fridge, both sides of the refrigerator, and a huge freezer down here to keep all of your supplies for camping. Over in the kitchen, you'll notice it does have this large stainless steel sink. Lots of space for your food and dishes and all the different cabinets. A nice big convection microwave, as well as 3 eyelets on the cooktop and a stove. Over in here, you'll notice it has a televator. So this TV, nice and big to entertain, but if you don't want to watch TV, it can go away and just become a nice smooth countertop. We also have an electric fireplace, so that's going to heat up this area really nice on those cooler nights without having to use any propane. There's your radio, which, like I said, plays inside and out. And then you have this awesome pantry over here. And more cabinets for storage. Don't forget, it also has that extra loft for storage. Okay, let's go take a look at the bedroom and bathroom. This bedroom has a king-size bed. You'll also notice that not only does it have outlets on both sides, but they also come with magnetic chargers for your phones. Storage overhead. You have wardrobe over here. And you've got this massive storage under the bed. Check that out. Now this bathroom has 2 entries, and you'll notice it has a really decent sized shower with a seat, easy to maneuver in. You got a nice big medicine cabinet right here for all your toiletries. And you also have another storage cabinet over here. And then, like I said, it has a second door going into the hallway, so you can access it from the bedroom or from the main area of the camper. Thank you so much for touring this 2022 Keystone Raptor 351 with me. Come on down to Colton today and take a look at it. You're not going to believe the price on this thing. Once again, my name is Brenna BZ Malin, and I'm at the North Tonawanda Colton RV. You can call me at 716-694-0188. My extension's 473. Hope to see you soon.